Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about sensitivity down there for the ladies. I am 33 and over the past few years my body's just been so bougie by being so sensitive to a lot of things, like coconut on my face, coconut oil on my face gets itchy. So like I'm allergic to coconut oil, I'm allergic to nuts, like even like eating nuts, like it's a whole little thing. I can't have a lot, so I just avoid them now altogether. But and including like I have to use fragrance-free detergent to wash my clothes, and as well soaps, everything fragrance-free for down there. So, and that's even included like recently lube. Like I had a reaction to lube, a certain type of lube. So what I do, I DIY'd my own lube, which y'all can too. So I get a bottle like this I got from the hair store, and you don't need a lot of Jamaican castor oil because it's really like thick. So I don't put a lot of the Jamaican castor oil. I need some more because I use this for a lot of stuff. Definitely for your hair too, y'all. Like if you don't got no Jamaican castor oil for your hair, y'all missing out. But yeah, so I don't need that much of the Jamaican castor oil. I'll put like another. Yeah, so that's all. Like two of these two things, and you're good. 100% argan oil. So all of these products is 100%. It's nothing else added. When you get your Jamaican castor oil, especially if you get it at the hair store, always look on the back. It needs to say just say castor oil. It doesn't need to be no soy. You don't want no soy oil. You don't want nothing. You don't want no fragrance added, nothing. Strictly just the pure form of these ingredients. Like ingredient, this is the only thing you see. This one is the extra dark one too. But yeah, 100% argan oil, 100%. Nothing else added. So you want to get the argan oil because it's more loose. See how it's like it's more loose than the Jamaican castor oil. So this is like going to give it the flexibility that you need. So I try to fill up the bottle to like maybe right here, like doing a whole like concoction, like just leaving a little bit, maybe not even to that line, maybe like right here, a little bit below that line. Yeah, it's a 2 ounce, so like a little bit below the 2 ounce line, just so you can give it some room to shake. And so yeah, so that's what I do. And it could be faster if I just take off the top. I'll just put that much because I don't need a lot. So I filled it up to the 1 ounce. And this is the vitamin E, 100% vitamin E oil. And this is pretty thick kind of too. I use this for my face in the morning too. So that's why I don't have that much in it. I still got some left, but it's just so you can determine like how much you want of it, but we put the majority. You want to put the most is the argan oil because it gives it that looseness for it, and then the other ones makes it like a little bit thicker. Because we want it to mimic like our juice, our bad juice, you know. So, and you can use it for your face, anything else too. Like I use this combination for my face as well, but like for my girlies that is allergic to lube out there, like make your own, like for real. Put a little bit more of the vitamin E. So I want it just a little tad thicker, but you can make it how you want it. I just want it a little tad thicker. Yeah, that's just enough. Yes, it's a perfect amount. Like I said, you can put a little tad more too. I'm really low on products, so for real, because I probably would have put a little bit more as well. Of the vitamin E, but like it's really not that much stuff in it. But yeah, y'all, like superb, when I used it, bomb. And for me to know like my girl down there is gonna be good, like it just makes the experience even better. Like it's not no weird stuff in there, it's not no alcohol in there, it's like all safe natural ingredients that's gonna make my woo-ha even better, even more moist, like even more like enhanced with these products while we're like having fun. Like yes. So yeah, y'all, like make your own natural lube yourself. Go to your nearest beauty store. They have these containers. I'm gonna look on Amazon for glass containers similar to this because I really like glass. I'm trying to like convert all my stuff into glass containers. That's just me. With the glass is better, especially the darker, like the darker glass like this. It's so much better. It's healthier. It preserves it more, so the sunlight doesn't get to it and all that. But yeah, put this in your bag. Put it in a plastic bag. I recommend putting this in a plastic sandwich bag, and then put it in your pocketbook when you're ready to go out and have some fun. You know, with your man or you know, your boo thing. So see y'all next time. Thanks for coming and tuning in with me. Make sure you like, subscribe for more beauty tips and hygiene tips, things that I learned on the way, and as well a little bit of self-love tips as well. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.